Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. My name is Chef Leanne Wong, and today we're going to be making creamy shrimp salad crostinis. In a large bowl, combine the chopped shrimp and eggs and refrigerate. In a medium bowl, add the minced red onion, dill, garlic, lemon zest and juice, horseradish, mayonnaise, and sour cream. Add salt and pepper to taste and mix thoroughly until combined. Add the dressing to the shrimp and egg and gently stir. Adjust the seasonings if needed. Portion the shrimp salad onto crostini, arrange on a platter, garnish with dill, and serve. This quick and ono recipe is great for large gatherings and can be easily halved for fewer guests. Pair this quick and easy appetizer with a nice glass of sparkling wine. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.